Now you'll notice that every time we need to restart our game, we need to reposition the cat to the center of the screen. Now this becomes a bit annoying, particularly for our user. If somebody is playing the game, we don't want the user to reposition the cat every time the game begins. So we can make the cat automatically reposition himself to the center of the screen each time the game begins. Let's fix that. So we'll go to the script of the cat, make sure we are looking at the script for the cat. And we're going to move this script a little up. Now you can move it and place it over the other set of the other script. It's not going to affect it in any way. And then I'm going to add a new event. When green flag clicked, what's going to happen? We go to motion and we move our cat to a specific position. All right. We could say go to X and Y. But we can also use this one, set X to something, to a number. Now what is this? Set X to a number. Let me show you what this exactly means. Now when I click on my cat and I drag it, I want you to notice that these two numbers keep changing. Alright, so as I move the cat around the screen, those two numbers keep changing. Now what are these two numbers? These numbers are actually coordinates. Alright, now it shows the position of the X of the cat on the screen in terms of X and Y. Now the X means how far from the center of the screen is the cat. Now if you position your cat to the dead center of the screen, all right, and let me try to do that. Can you see that? The exact dead center of the screen is position 0, 0. That's where our cat is right now. And as you move to the right, the X changes and it becomes bigger numbers. And as you move to the left, the X changes and becomes smaller numbers till it passes 0 and it goes into the minus. So you start at 0, going to the left, it's -1, -2, -3, all the way down to -240. And in the same way, if you move your cat up, the X remains the same, but the Y changes. Alright, it becomes bigger numbers, and as you move down, the Y changes also, but it becomes smaller numbers. So increasingly smaller and smaller numbers. So that's how the coordinate system of Scratch works. Now, if we want our cat to start up at a specific position, look at the value of X. So I move my cat, alright, can you see the value of X? Right around about there, the value of X is 26. The Y value we'll ignore for now. So it would be nice if every time we start our game, the cat starts off at X position 26. So that's where we're going to use this piece, change X by 10. And the reason we're going to use this and not go to X and Y is that we don't need to change the Y position. The Y position will remain the same. In other words, the cat is not going to move up or down. It's simply going to move back. So if you are there and you start the game, it moves back to the exact same Y position. It's not going to move higher or lower, but the X position is going to change back to 26. It's the same when we move our cat to the left and catch the crab. Okay, we move the cat to the left, and when the game restarts, we want the cat back at position 26. So that's why we use the change X by 10. Sorry, not change X by, set X to. Set X to, in our case, we'll say 26. So let's move the cat to the corner of the screen, stop our script, restart, and there we have it. The moment we restart, the cat is back at position 26, which is the center of the screen. Okay, move the cat away. Yay, you win. Stop, start again, and the cat is back in the middle of the screen.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.